sleeper sofas matter more than ever as multifunctional furniture that blends everyday seating with occasional guest sleeping solutions. In compact homes, apartments, and home offices, a well-designed sleeper can save space without sacrificing comfort or style. This review examines 5 sleeper sofas from respected brands to help you choose based on build quality, adaptability, comfort, and practical features. Product number 1. Pipichel Futon Sofa Bed. The Pipichel 66-inch corduroy futon blends a 3-in-1 function: sofa, recliner, and sleeper with adjustable backrest and armrests. The design supports 3 back angles, 105 degrees, 160 degrees, and 180 degrees, and 5 armrest angles, 0 degrees to 90 degrees, and ships with a reinforced wood frame claimed to support up to 500 pounds. Dimensions in sofa mode are 66.1 inches long by 39.4 inches wide by 18.9 inches high, with a separate love seat/sleeper footprint of 66.1 inches long by 20.8 inches wide by 30.7 inches high. Upholstery is corduroy, noted for breathability and durability, with high resilience foam cushions. Ease of assembly is highlighted with a setup window of about 30 minutes and cushions that regain elasticity within 72 hours after unpacking. Pros: strong weight capacity, flexible multi-position design, corduroy fabric with durability, street-forward assembly, modern minimalist profile. Cons: heavy for one person to maneuver. Fixed dimensions may limit hip/leg comfort in certain positions. No removable covers for fabric care. Lightweight memory foam elements may flatten with heavy daily use. Product number 2. 85-inch large sleeper sofa bed with storage. The Soligia Homia 85-inch L-shaped sleeper combines a left-right reversible chase with hidden storage and built-in USB-C charging ports, cup holders, and side pockets. It's constructed as a 2-piece sectional, love seat, and chase, and measures 51.17D x 85W x 35H with a weight of 165 pounds. The design emphasizes tech-enabled convenience, dual USB and Type-C ports, and practical storage for small spaces. Pros: dual pack shipping can reduce damage risk, storage-enabled chase, integrated charging and cup holders, modular 2-piece assembly, solid weight and stability for a larger sleeping surface. Cons: 85 inches in length may overwhelm smaller rooms. Only 2 seating portions. No fabric swatch or cleaning instructions provided. Limited weight capacity per section. Overall 4-person capacity rated at 4.0. Product number 3. Amada Sectional Sofa Bed with Reversible Storage Chase. Amada's modular sleeper emphasizes a reversible storage chase with hidden wheels for easy conversion, a 54.9-inch D by 83.5-inch W by 37.2-inch H footprint, and a high weight capacity up to 1,000 pounds. The chenille upholstery is soft and breathable, and the system uses solid wood slots plus a metal frame for durability. It features USB and Type-C charging ports and side pockets for remotes and magazines with a triple thickened comfort design, 30% thicker seat back with high-density foam to improve long-term support. Pros: extremely high weight capacity, robust construction with metal frame and solid wood slots, integrated charging and storage, reversible chase for flexible layouts, plush chenille fabric. Cons: chenille fabric can attract lint and may require more frequent cleaning. Assembly could be more involved due to modular components. Higher price point implied by premium materials. Product number 4. Von Grassik Pull-Out Couch. Von Grassik offers a 77.2-inch wide by 40.8-inch deep by 33.9-inch H L-shaped sleeper with a reversible chaise and hidden storage. It uses a soft corduroy-like fabric and a reinforced wood frame, aiming to balance comfort with durability. The conversion involves hidden wheels and pull straps, enabling a quick transition from sofa to bed. Pros: reversible chaise for layout flexibility, built-in storage to maximize space, durable wood frame, soft fabric for comfortable seating, straightforward conversion process. Cons: weight at 160 pounds makes moving arduous. Reported customer reviews average around 3.7 out of 5, and the weight limit per configuration is not clearly delineated beyond general 300 pounds capacity, which could constrain heavier users. Product number 5, 64-inch chaise lounge indoor. Amsleeky's oversized 64-inch chaise lounge pairs a plush corduroy upholstery with built-in storage pockets, 2 sets of legs for height customization, approximately 8 centimeters and 12 centimeters, cup holders, and 4 pillows to tailor ergonomic support. It's designed as a standalone chaise that can double as a sleeper, with dimensions 64 inches D by 54 inches wide by 33.5 inches H, and a weight limit up to 1,000 pounds. Pros: generous seating area and height adjustability, practical cup holders and storage pockets, included pillows for customized comfort, high weight capacity, 2 leg heights to accommodate different room heights. Cons: not a full sectional or modular sleeper. The product serves primarily as a chaise rather than a complete sofa system. Color or shade variation due to lighting could affect appearance.